Yep, the CCSA announced today that there are 836 new cases, right?
Yes, and 2 more deaths. So bringing the total infection to be specifically 20,454 with 79 fatalities. And right now there are currently 7,158 people receiving treatment in hospitals. There are 17 imported cases from Switzerland, India, Nigeria, the US, France, United Kingdom, Denmark, Canada, and Malaysia. So let's talk about the fatality. One of the cases was a 75-year-old Thai female in Samut Sakhon. She suffered from hyperlipidemia and hypertension. She was infected by her husband and tested positive on January 28th. She soon developed symptoms of COVID-19 and passed away on January 30. So Dr. Thwisin Visanuyotin, the spokesperson for the CCSA, said that it is an example to show us how fast the COVID-19 can develop. She tested positive on 28th. She got admitted to her symptoms just start showing on 28th of January, and then she passed away on January 30. So that is just a matter of 2-3 days. The other fatality was a 68-year-old diabetic Thai male. He suffered kidney failure and had previously received a kidney transplant. He went to Samut Sakhon and visited a karaoke bar in Blauw area of Bangkok, which, if you have been following the news about the infection in Bangkok, Blauw has several night entertainment venues that become a place where the official found the infected cases. And this guy, he started to develop a cough and muscle pain on December 30th. He tested positive for COVID-19 on January 7th, and then he remained in the hospital until he passed away late last night, about 1 a.m. last night. So yesterday we were reporting to you that the schools was just reopened, and there have been reports of infected students, resulting in some schools closing again. Dr. Thwisin said that the students were infected before schools reopened, and the affected schools are now being disinfected. He said he believes the school will not remain closed for long. He actually said that it cannot just stay closed forever because somehow kids have to go back to school. So the parents just have to try to be informative and trust the school, and schools have to try their best to keep the hygiene measure up.
Definitely. But what is really shocking today that the youngest case recorded today is a 26-day-old infant. And this is apparently the youngest case that we have seen so far since the COVID-19 outbreak started. And right now, with the number of new cases, it has already recorded 16,217 cases in the latest outbreak. So we're seeing that there are big jumps in the new infections every day here.
Yes, and we still do a big proactive screening in Samut Sakhon. There's still people waiting for the test result, and they are also do a big screening, proactive screening in Bangkok at the area that next to Samut Sakhon. So this week, we probably still see high numbers, same just as Dr. Pisamai said yesterday.